It's a 2015 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, this spacious crossover was built for fun. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: EcoBoost engine, front heated leather sport seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, power liftgate, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds the Edge's ride quality may be its greatest attribute. It isolates occupants from rough roads without riding like a raft. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.